Instagram story song problem. Instagram music no result found. Problem solved. Many Instagram users reported that only English songs are coming on the Instagram story or showing Instagram music isn't available in your region. Instagram music feature might not work because it's unavailable in your region due to licensing agreements. Also, Instagram prohibits business accounts from adding music to the stories because of copyright issues. Using a business account is one of the reasons for Instagram story music not working issue. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram story song problem. Instagram music no result found problem. So, let us start. Step 1. Switch account type. Open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap the 3 horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your profile page. This will open a menu of options. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy, which is located at the top of the list. Scroll down to Business and Ad Tools. From the list, tap on Switch Account Type. From the pop-up menu, select Switch to Creator Account. Close Instagram app. Now go to Settings. Then Apps. Go to Instagram. Then Storage. Here you need to clear cache. Now open Instagram app and see if the problem is fixed. Step 2. Upgrade the app. The Instagram music sticker can fail if you forget to update your app. Find Instagram in the Google Play on your device. Look for the Update button near the top of the screen. Your Instagram app is current if you don't see the Update button. Otherwise, install updates as needed. Step 3. Uninstall and reinstall Instagram. Mobile phone apps may not work correctly due to corrupted data. You can only tell if your Instagram app has these issues if you uninstall and reinstall it. So, this is how to fix Instagram music no result found problem. Thanks for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like button below the video and share it with your friends. If you want more videos like this, then tap on the subscribe button and join us.